Welcome back to our channel. In this project, I will just show you this two-step security system. When your face will be detected properly, then the LCD will display this face ID, and when you put this proper valid finger, then LCD will be display this valid finger and is display this username. Then your door will be open, otherwise is not open. See, now the door will be open. After the few seconds, the door will be automatically closed. Here you just interfacing this solenoid lock and the servo motor in this relay module. Okay, now I will just show you this hardware, which component I use. First I designing this 0 PCB and I put this LCD display and two push button. In back side I soldering this all this connection in this jumper wire throughs, and I put this component one by one. This one is the Arduino Nano microcontroller board. Now I attach this one channel 5-volt relay module. Now I attach this fingerprint sensor. And then I attach this ESP32 CAM module. This camera module. I use this big antenna because it's not getting this proper Wi-Fi signal. That's why I attach it. I hope you like this project, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share it with all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notifications first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.